Yeah, push back up to the 86s. I might just take a long here on my funded account. Go ahead and take the long here.
Order submitted.
We get a fill here. We'll go ahead and take that.
Order filled.
I'm gonna have you right under there. I'm actually gonna get a push. Down. Take a small loss if that's the case may be, but I feel like we might actually see a little breakout here. At least to retest this high. Or it's gonna break below. Cool. Now let me see my 5 minute again, see where we at on the range of where we want to be at. I don't think I have a take profit. No, I don't. Okay, cool. Right, we're just gonna let this thing run. I want to see, is it controls? Oh, it's F6. Let's go there. Get up to there. That'd be nice. We're good above this. It's just a retest. This 506 area. Alright. Okay. Go ahead and take a possible entry going long on. Okay. Like some of this profit that we lost on Friday on the 100K. We could probably see some downside. I do have an assumption we can see fill in some gaps, but or we can just have it rip. So with our funded account, we're hoping to get start off with a nice little couple $100 play. We need the cushion as best as we possibly can. I know how with Apex is, you gotta, it's 30% consistency rule is definitely something to keep your eye on when trading. Here. We should see some popping up here. That's not nice to see. That 85 was vicious. I think that's what I was waiting on to see if we would break through that 85, but I don't know if we're going to be honest. It actually. Cut out. I'll probably see some move down. I wanted to see us if we can break that 85, but I guess didn't want to. Like it did. Here. I guess those. closes. 220, right? That's fine. Perfect. I'm not adding to that order. Confident. Oh, no. That's so strange that it did that, to be honest. That's crazy. Alright, let's see if we get a breakout here. I thought about adding on to this trade too, but I figure it's more to add on to a winning trade than to a losing trade. So I figured once we get a breakout above these 90s, then we can probably add a contract to it to see if we can just get to that 506. Unless it just shuts down and falls, but there is a lot of red from what I see right now. Book map. It's actually pretty green. There's a 100 order right below at the 81. Let's see if we can push up to that 80, 85 again. I want to see us push to 85. We push to 85, then we're pretty nice. But it has to be strong. I'll definitely add an order onto it. 8. Currently down 30 bucks. It's all good. Yeah, I'm looking for 85s for sure. 85s would be pretty cool. Who knows in my Discord? Whoops. Let's see. Let's get to 85s here. Whatever. It's tripping. I know adjust my stop, but the ones. Okay, because you don't want to stay. Wish they would just bind together. Jeez. I should push it up here. Right there. In case we do it. Next in my head. Only 3. That's weird. Okay. It's telling me that we only have 3 contracts, but it's 4 different stop losses. Whatever. All right, let's break above to 85s. Okay, we got stopped out. That's fine. I'm not tripping on that one. We're down 100 on this one. Okay. Oops. There. All right. Thank you with that. All right. Let's 50K count. Much are we down here? We're down 60. 80 here. See this flag breakup. Surgical with this. Down the same amount. Jeez. That's cool. Looks like we're about to get stopped out. Yep.
Stop filled.
Okay. Took 175 of a loss. It's a week. Okay, where's our? That makes sense now. My heat map wasn't even showing for me, but now I can see all them red bubbles that were forming going to the downside. Broke below our VWAP, right? Oh, it did. Yeah, damn. Okay. Didn't even have strength of popping back up. All right. I didn't keep all rolling. $20. 40. That's a better loss than already seen. Our value cap is weird. Weird to look at. Let's see though. So we still have to come down low here. This trend. wasn't much strength up there, so. To our 1 minute. Yeah. They can pop back up for sure. Good. Good. So we should see some more fill in here because it's some big red bubbles. These orders kind of getting popping up a little bit. Yeah, it should continue to go up. Tires and bought. $50. Yep, there it goes. I'm gonna add
Order filled.
one here. Put my stop loss right there. Keep it short and simple. See if we can break out of this. Go below. See if we can get about $70. Cool to take off some of what we have lost already. Actually fill in. There's a fair value gap that we really didn't get a fill in on the 30-minute. So I want to take this short to see if we can get into that 30-minute area. I will add into my position if we can have some strength going to the downside. I'll definitely add into this for sure. I need to see thing. Dump. I wanted to see us go down to these 470. 470s would be nice. Like 470 flat and below. Those tuning in, what's up, you guys? Blessed Sunday. Good to see everyone. Appreciate it. Yeah. Now we're doing. Okay, took a little small loss. On our combine, we are down. We were up like $60 on our trade right now on our short, but let's see where this thing takes us. Again, I'm looking hopefully to see some nice move, a nice move coming down to 470 flat to 6 or 460, 467. But we might see us just go back to the 480s, to be honest. Yeah, we're just. Our book map is just going by us. But there is big selling pressure at that 475, so Nice little rejection off of 475. Sorry, 475 and a half. Mm. How is everyone doing today? Hope you guys had a good week. Oh, there we go. Nice. Okay. What we wanted to see. But we need strength here. We need this. We need strength of holding this. See, I need this thing to grab itself by the balls and just go. Okay, my bank is telling me something random. Yeah, I want to see us go below these 470s. Would be nice. Let's go to like, oof, oof, not good, not good. I want us to see 465. Okay, I'll show you guys what the book map is giving me right now. Yeah, I want to see us go below this area here and then see if we can get to these like 465 area. Sorry, 465 is like down here, but we get that nice little dump that we had before, that'll be delightful, but we'll see. With our combines right now, with one of our combines, are about up 90 bucks on the trade. This one here for our Apex, we're only up 10 bucks. I wish I could show you my Quantar, but for some reason, I don't know if it'll watch. Tripping out. Oh, gotta show you the Ninja Trader. So I minimize it. Work. Oh, okay. Guess that works. I just need to reverse and come back down. I'm just getting bought up. For fellow traders, future traders, what platform do you guys like to trade on? I know a lot of people that I know like to trade on TradeAway just because of the mobile capabilities of being able to trade from your phone, which I respect. I know a lot of people as well that likes to use NinjaTrader just because of how versatile it is and able to use certain amenities within the platform. And then I know a lot of other traders that like to use Quantower just because of the amount of different things that you can use on there that you will be able to use on other platforms, especially with like the copy trader, the book map, and etc. What are you guys' preferences on each platform that you guys have used, or just mainly just use with one? Oh, I've used them all for the most part. Well, I've used the main three. I haven't used Sierra charts. I haven't used some of the other ones, but I like NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader's cool. TraderBait can be cool, but it has its moments. I think after dealing with what we dealt with last year with TraderBait, I kind of drew away from using it as much, especially with some of the data that I've had to deal with using TraderBait. But that's just me. I'm probably based off of where I was trading or where I was trading in location wise. Quant Tower is cool. I do like some of the tools on here for sure. But I do see some buyers here at the 470 and a half and 470. So let's see what we're looking at here. It's getting bought up for sure. It's probably gonna hit that 21 and then break through it. Looks like we might be down a little over $200 so far. But it's all gravy, baby. That's gonna go up for sure. I'm about to break even here, and we're down 30 here, so. I'm gonna delete that because we don't know. I'm gonna move my stop just because I don't want to lose too much more than what I'm already at right now. I'm 50 on both them. That's weird because that would have gave me more profit if we were at equal areas. 74. Range. Yeah, it's gonna probably kick us out of this trade right now. Yeah, I don't know. Up here. Oh, it's because I have two cons. That's why. On the other one. That makes sense. I was like, why am I only up down 50? Fine. Oh, of course I'm on the 1 minute. How much we're down? We're down 260. Got it. See it. Only. So, took two trades. We tried to go long here and got stopped out. I'm trying to play short here. Got stopped out. Okay. And a weird one, which I figured it would be, but all good. Let's see. haven't really been amazing. Probably could have just waited to see if it was gonna retest the high. My decision on a trade there, but I tried to play it short, got stopped out, or tried to play it long, got stopped out, then tried to play it short and got stopped out. So now we're probably gonna see it just pop up and retest because it bounced off our 21 moving average. It moved up our 21 already, boom, and had a strong move up. So kind of, I think we're gonna get stopped out on this other trade over here. So let me go ahead and just flatten this. I'm just not even gonna deal with that. Yeah, I feel like you just wanna go. Just setting some crap up. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm just setting something up. Where is my? I think we might see us go back to the 480s. Sorry, 480s. I think that's what we'll see. Stuff. Got more people joining the Discord server. Love it. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not. But actually, can I put this in the chat? Oh, let's go ahead. Give me a second. Let me see if I can actually post the link to everything. I don't know why my chat's not showing for the YouTube as well. But what's going on, Roger? How you doing? Andrew, what to do? Trade debate? Okay. Thinkorswim for futures or Webull for my options. Biggie up in here. You got the when it comes to between, I'm thinking Figgy. So when it comes to you trading your options on Webull, do you like it more than TD, or is it, are you comfortably like okay with it's actually popping up. Let's go. Do you think you would transition over from Webull to TD or to trade your options, or is it just the amount of things that you have available to you to be able to trade your options on Webull? don't even know why it wasn't even showing on my. Yeah, we're breaking out here. Currently up about 200 on my combine. We got to see 181 here. I was trying to see if we're gonna go to 485, but 481 is strong. Buyers are definitely there. Would have loved to take the trade on my other one, but I'm not really tripping too much. We need about 40, 483, 45 would be nice. I don't know why it didn't show chat on my. That's so weird. That's so weird. Okay. I gotta have my browser open. That makes sense now, I guess. Those tuning in, welcome in, welcome in. Sorry for those that were actually typing in YouTube chat. It wasn't showing on my Streamlabs OBS that there was messages there. So if you guys had wrote something and said something, sorry about that. In the butt for sure. Those that are on tuning in from Twitch or Kick, welcome in. Appreciate you guys stopping by. We're up 300 on our trade. Nice. I might have to close out the trade at, if we get to 380, 485 is what I want to see, but I want to actually close and take that off the Yep, I'm gonna take that. Nice trade. I'm definitely going to see some highs. Would have been lovely to take the trade on my performance account, but it's all good. I wanted to get a little money back on my combine. Still down about like 1,300 to get back to 50K on our combine. Let's see. All right. Came here to get the links. So second. Grab this information so I can post it. Thank you for all the subscribers too, you guys. I appreciate that. Those that are new to my YouTube channel, this is kind of new for me. As someone that's been streaming like on Twitch for a very, very long time, streaming on YouTube is still new to me, or even like making videos is new to me. So I really don't portray myself as a profitable, crazy, like over the top trader that's making all this X amount of money. I'm still growing overall with the knowledge of what I know about trading. But can I go back? I'm still, trying to be a better trader overall. So please bear in mind that I'm still growing. I'm not trying to, have people pay to join my Discord server or have any courses and stuff like that. I'm not that type of dude. I do have a Discord server where I just try to bring in like-minded traders and we can kind of just grow together and trade together and bounce ideas off each other's minds and be profitable together as best as we possibly can. That's how I roll. That's what I like. So I do have those in the pinned comments. So for those that want to use the links, I can't even use all of them. Damn, Gina. Let's see. Take off the trade day one. I guess that would be. Goodness. Activity on this is insane. Let's see here. Oh my god, let's not do this. Irritating. Let's do this. I'm just gonna post the link of our Discord server. Just for the fact that I want people to join in and like I like to learn from others as best as I possibly can. I think it goes a long way. Let's go ahead and can I pin this? Can or not? I'm actually getting on this. I need to actually, if you're still in here, bro, I want to give you mod. I don't know. Moderator. Can review and remove chat message. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna give you mod. Figgy, if you're here, Figgy, I'm giving you mod. I don't know if you left or not. I'm giving you mod, my brother. Let's go ahead and post that here. Boom. Can I pin that? Yes, I can. That. I'm gonna go on to our quick here. So that was a nice trade. We definitely took some of that money back on our combine. We were nice. Okay, let's post that here. Perfect. Perfect. Damn, we have 150 followers on Kick. Hey, let's just go. Post the YouTube link from Discord. With this. So that on our there, if those want to tap in. And throw that there. Tap that there. Cool. All right. So we either might see us break out here or we might just see it reject and come back down. I know what I'm thinking right. See what we got here. Back up here. Can I put the chat? I could. That makes it easier for me. Oh. Okay, we're good here. All right, cool. All right. We're about to break out here. Quick scout.
Order filled.
See if we actually can pop up here. Take a nice little like $50 if we can get this thing to pop up for us. Please break out above. I want to see it go to 505. If we were going long, I wanted to see it go 505. Ooh, excuse me. Gotta cough that. And if we were gonna come down, then I would, just fill in coming down. Excuse me, to these lows, but we break out or do we sell off? Only willing to lose about like $50 on this. Pull up on me, Turtle. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Welcome in. All right, going up 30 bucks. We break out here. I'm adding more to my position, but we have to break out of this. So we have to see 488. What I'm hoping to see here. I appreciate that. Welcome in. All right, we're not holding that. Not holding that level like we wanted to. We go up or we stand down? Pull up on me. And a dry on kick. Keep it G. This minute. I don't think. I'm there. Come on, baby. I will add to this puppy if we can just burst above. Let me see like $60 in profit here, and then I'll add to my position. Okay. Let me see that 487.75 right now. Or give me 488. There. Okay, there we go. And then we're gonna buy into it once we get to $40 on the pin. He gave us 48, 487.75. Right at that level, it just sold off from that. So I'm gonna see if we
Order filled.
add it into it. Not the best ad. Not the best. Let's see where we go here. Let me get $100 off the rip here. Looking for that hundo. Give this brother $100, you feel me? Let's move that right there so I can actually see. Don't like it. It's not holding as best as we want it to hold. It went to 489 and then just gave up. Yeah, we get our for those that are trading on Top Step. Why is my crap keep reloading? Okay, whoever for those that trade on Top Step, we should be getting our reset codes this week. I want to say it's on Wednesday, so keep an eye out for that. If you are in need of a reset, we should be getting a reset code pretty soon. We'll be getting our reset codes pretty soon. To get back above the 488.50. Don't like where we're at right now though, because it popped up a little bit, just a tad bit, but hasn't really like no much strength in it. So I'm feeling like I really should just close out, because as you can see, it's not giving me the right number. It says we're up $45. It says we're up 25. It says it's up 15. I'm waiting to see if we go back above. Yeah, we're getting close. I just need you to go to 490s. 490s would be lovely to see right now. If there's any delay or anything like that, you guys, please let me know. If there's any lagginess, if there's anything, keep me posted, please. Tripping, still tripping. Even my chat's not even showing correctly. I think we're gonna go ahead and probably close this trade out. We didn't get much about what we needed. I'm not trying to hold this too long because I was only willing to risk a little bit of money on this trade, so I really wasn't trying to OD. I wanted to see it pop, but it doesn't really look like it's a double top in a sense of like, no, it's not really a double top. Keep it G, because it's still I would consider this the top. It's still up here as a double top in a sense, but if we're really looking at the highs of where we've seen open, we're up here. So okay. Getting a little strength, okay, getting a little volume coming in. There we go. Oh, I don't like how this trend just changed. Don't like how that just changed on us. Come on. I don't like how this looks. Give me, damn, I want to say 490s would be such a great look for us. Yeah, we need to see this thing give us like $100 off top. If we break out above this would be amazing. Come on, baby. Time to cheerlead. If those saw my video, cheerleading, when cheerleading actually goes in your way, it's a great feeling, that's for sure. Okay, let's see. Come on, 75s. Give us a hundo. Take this, cut this in half and let's just see it ride. Go back up. We're so close to this 490, which is crazy. We're so close to 490. Got to close out and just take a little profit that I have. Damn, that's oof. Both those buy and sell orders at 488 are massive. They matched each other, which is crazy. Yep, they're literally identical. Make me want to sell. Or close this, sorry, not even sell, close this out. Gosh, that's so ugly. Okay. More buy orders, okay. Seeing those coming. Stopping in the Air Force Ones. I'm gonna, yeah, definitely 65. Okay, come on. Give me that $100. $100. $100. 85. Can you? Thank you. Keep it popping, baby. Okay. Yeah. It's literally almost there to the 490s. I'm gonna look. Come on, dog. Big dog, come on. Pushing up. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Here it comes. Here it comes. And it didn't happen. So close. So close. Just one more go, or are you gonna call it? I get this one. Drop like it's hot. Alright, I'm out of it.
Order filled.
I'm out of it. Looks so promising. Looked so promising. All good though. So let's draw this line. Let's draw this line. Oops. So we saw. And there it goes. Even though we were out of the trade, and there it goes. Diamond cells. I need to change my setup here so that looks a little bit more vibrant. Information. Oof. Welcome in, everybody. Hopefully chat is working. You know, if you can see everything. Probably on. Does okay. I don't know why I didn't show earlier. That was so weird. You guys were typing in chat on YouTube, but it wasn't showing up on my my chat feed on my Streamlabs OBS. So I'm kind of pissed about that. And there goes the trade that we were looking for, even though we only took 25 bucks. That sucks. Oh, but it is what it is. Gonna freak rip from here. Yep. Man, I'm so pissed at that. And now it does it, even though we're out of the trade. Freaking jerk. God damn it. What if I chased it? Ha ha ha. Where did it go to? It went to our 490.75. Yep. Of course. It went to where we wanted to see it at, but now now we suffer. This is interesting. Okay. There I go. Definitely. Do we got like 1200? Get that back to. We get 100 on. Oh, this. But it's not. Down from there, which. But what, but what this looks like, it looks like it wants to. This trend here we see. gathering. We're still going down. We're still going up. That kind of even sucks. No more. The numbers that we wanted it to go to. We definitely would have had our money back for sure. But it just wasn't holding like how we wanted it to hold. And then it finally just kept on going. So, thug life. You win some, you lose some. I do think we might see a sell here. I think I should have gotten a little earlier. Tad earlier. Hey, what the Wyman is showing us? Ooh. Okay.
Order filled.
Where's our stop loss? There. Stop loss is here. Do stop loss here. That might be a little bit reasonable to look at. It goes back to the 5 minute here. I think we might just see this thing come down and test this in line. I definitely would rather add if I can get it to go and break back below this 480, 495. On the 490. Add to it.
Order filled.
Add to it now, then I'm going to add to it later. contract. Let's go at 491. I'll take off one contract. The contracts, we should be at least up like 200 and 260 by now. Pick up now the two con. Okay. We get this green to red here. Back to break even. I'll let you take much. Here we're down 5 here, so let's just let it do its thing. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. Looks like we're about to get stopped out, chat. Trust me, I would love to readjust my stop loss right now. Would love to. Would love to push it up a little bit higher, but at the same time, why? Why should I? If I push it up, it would probably be to like above like here, but I'm trying to stop us from before we get to 500 flat. So why? Rather than just damn. Took 3 losing trades today. It is what it is. Dang, this thing looks ugly over here. Go ahead and stop me out, player. Get this out of the way. Come on. Oh, that's interesting. Are we going to see a reversal here? Because it looks like it on the book map. Could be wrong, but it looks like it wants to reverse on this book map. Excuse me. All right, we'll see. See what it does here. 115. Yeah, we're probably gonna get. Imbalance is 50-50. That's interesting. Excuse me. Oh yeah, that's interesting for sure. A lot of orders there. And it bounces up like that. Interesting. See what this does. Okay. Looks like these orders are taking profits. Okay. These guys are gonna sell off some these buys. Down 100 on one account and down 50 on the other. On this trade going short. Let's see. I got bought up at 495. Okay. This really didn't give me a size of the order that was being bought at that area, but all right. That's interesting. There we go. Get us back to break even on this other one. Nice. Yeah. Let's go down to this 490 flat. See what we can do down here. That was huge. Selling at that area from 495.75 to 494. So let's see if we can continue this downtrend, this down sell order. Excuse me. Jesus Christ. My voice cracking and everything like I'm going through puberty again. Okay, let's see us go down to this 492.5. Two cons in this one, true. There was a trade. So I was doing a recording. No, actually, I was trading last. Was it Monday? I think I was trading on Monday. It was Monday or Tuesday. I was in a trade going short, and I happened to be in with 3 cons, maybe 5, depending on, I forget. I think it was with this my eval that I was doing with Apex, and it was a short that I was in. I was literally like in the same area that we're in right now, and I tell you, like, this thing just dumped, and it might have been 5 cons because the trade gave me 20 something, like 2,500. Like literally, it was like around here, it was trading back and forth, then finally came down some, and then it was at an area like on this trend line, and I was just waiting. I was patiently waiting and telling myself, I was like, bro, this thing flushes, it's be crazy, and all of a sudden, I just see like big volume of this thing just shoots down, and like a huge candle that goes down, and I'm like, yo, I gotta close out this trade because I'm already up like $2,000 on the trade, and I'm like, yo. So we pretty much passed our. That's how we passed our combine in 2 days because of just how much it sold off. So that's pretty awesome. Which I'm kind of hoping that would happen again for us, even though we're only within 2 cons. But like, if we can actually see this thing hold this trade going to break this trend, would be nice. Even if it's like, you know, we hold and it kind of consolidates here, and then finally gets to the trend line, and then finally breaks through, and we can see like lows of 470. That would be big. Excuse me, that would be big for us overall because with 2 cons, that's still a couple $100. Like, even though right now we're up almost $100 on the trade, just imagine us going down to 470. That would be like, I would say like $600. That'd be awesome. But we need some volume. We need some sellers to come in and drop draws and pull this thing down. So let's see. But right now we're just I really just want to put this thing here. That'd be cool. Don't really need. You guys can see it. What I should do is that right there. Perfect. You guys can see it. Break this low. My voice or something. Jeez. Break this low at, what was this? 490.75. We can go down to 490.25, 490 flat. We might just see it go. You might see this thing just dump. If you guys can, those are tuning in on YouTube, please hit that like button, the thumbs up. Greatly appreciate that. We're up 100 on that one. We're up 65 here. I just want to be in a good enough profit so I can move my stop loss down, regardless if you make money on the trade. Let's see this thing. See this pumpied up. There we go. We have to go to 490 flat. Or 490.50. Perfect. Let's see this baby dump. Let's get these 480s. Come Come on, 480s. Let's do this. I will look at this area that we marked off, this little support line here. I will look at this as a support line. So we get past 489.25. If we can go below than that, this would be big for us. It'll definitely be big for us. So I'm hoping to see this thing come below this, use this as a rejection and continue to fall, but don't want to get my hopes up too much. You can see that we're definitely getting bought up down here. Here we go. Dumb city, come on. Goodness gracious. I'm having to clear my throat. Come on, come on, come on. We have to break through this. 49.50, we have to break through this. We got bounced off with a 0.25, so didn't like that too much. Come on. So I figured it would probably be a little support level, so we might see a little bounce, which is what we're getting. We marked that off already prior of a resistance level, but it bounced off that as a support level. So drop it like it's hot, baby. Drop it like it's hot. Okay. Little volume coming in might try to liquidity. The next 5-minute candle was juicy. All right, it's gonna pop up some more. We're probably gonna see it go to 493 right now. 93.50. Yep, as I expected it to. Yep. Now let's see what these sellers talking about. Big volume and spike of buying. Kind of just dead sell orders or sell volume here. Kind of like land there like a dead fish, to be honest with you. There is some data coming out this week, so we have to be prepared of, you know, the market might just be a lot of consolidation or range till we actually get that data. I forget what comes out and when, but I'll have to look later on today to see. But a big factor for sure. Let's see, where's my stop? That's a break even. Yeah, I'd rather just be up a little bit. Could close out now on my top step, but I feel like the trade is actually going to come through pretty soon on this next 5-minute candle. I think we'll finally get that move down to break below the support level at the was it 4? What number was that? I didn't draw a line on that over here. 489, 79, 75. Jeez. So let's see if we can get some sell orders to get us below that level again. That'd be great. But I get my hopes up too much just yet. Damn, that thing popped up on us for sure. I hope we get some rain tonight. Okay, back at break even on that trade. A 5-minute candle just opened up and went up, which I figured it probably would do something like that. And then I'll probably get stopped out on this other trade up here, which is okay, as long as I take a little bit of profit, but on this reversal from green to red here, but doesn't look like it's forgiving at this moment. We're about to get stopped out. So I got 2 contracts. $10. Probably doing a liquidity grab right here, which is going to be dangerous. I'm going to go move you up to 500 flat. I'm about to do that. I figured that might be a better idea. Just give it to you 500 flat. I'm going to do a liquidity grab and then you're going to probably finally go down. So, I have 2 cons here. We'll probably be down like another $100 if we don't get this thing to come back down. This is entertaining though, I'm not gonna lie. Been back and forth. I haven't really had like a reasonable profitable trade on our funded account at the moment, but I'm not really like over stressing it. I haven't over leveraged, which is good because I've been known to over leverage when I get funded. But again, it's not much volume in our favor at the moment. Yeah, we're down, but it's not much. I can say that we've like went in with 3 to 5 contracts and then just get wrecked. Like, even though I'm down $300, I know tomorrow I can, if done right, I can make that money back for sure. But it's just a pain in the butt that we haven't got what we wanted just yet. Oh, just patiently waiting. Just waiting for this liquidity grab to do its thing, and then it reverse and come down. Hopefully we have enough of a cushion that we put for ourselves. Excuse me, and then we can see this thing come down. If there goes a liquidity grab, it's gonna probably shoot up one more time on us. Let me just adjust this to 50 cents. I'll take that. I'll take that of a loss. It'll be around 200 or some bucks, but it won't be way too much. All right. Let's just put you here so I can see myself. How much it would have been. And do we see a dump from here now? Is the question. Do we get back to break even on this other trade, or do we? Very tempted to average in on this trade. Very, very tempted. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm very tempted to add one more contract to this just to bring it closer to where I want to be able to have this line.
Order filled.
I will, and I'm going to again. This would be where I want to get out at and be okay to take that loss there, but let's see. Let's see if we can get these sellers to come and bring this baby down. I'm just gonna do another liquidity grab. Which might really, one would be probably smart. Would probably be smart, but that would be down. That would be down 500 overall. So let's see. All right, sellers, let's bring this baby down. I got bought up pretty easy. We just get like go for buyer stop losses. See how they react. I haven't really had a proper pullback though. That's the only thing I'm hoping to see is a proper pullback. I mean, it's been going up. It's been grinding up, but we haven't had a proper pullback. Like, this was a cool pullback, but we haven't had a proper pullback on this build up. So that's why I'm hoping to see it come and break this trend and get us like to test this low again, and then we see a up, like a freaking blast up. Let's get this thing to sell. Numbers I'm looking at to take off would be 480, probably 488. Yeah, 488 and a half. Yeah, like maybe here I would take a contract off And then if it comes back up, retest that and doesn't hold and breaks through this trend, then yeah, I definitely would hold on to my other 2 contracts. But I would take off 1 contract here for sure. We're up $40 though, that's good. And then we're up 89 on that one, or 85 on the other one. I'm looking to walk out here with at least a couple $100 on both accounts. Okay, we're up 100 on that one, and we're still fighting to hold there. 100 on this account, and then where's this at? Still nothing. Okay, 100 on both accounts. This thingy, let's see this thing. This thing up. Let's get some bigger volume sticks to the downside. We're not really getting that on our book map. Yeah, book map. See, look at the green. See, that's what I don't like. We'll get big green volume here, but we haven't had any big red volume going to the downside. It's just been back and forth. So I'm very unsure how I feel about that, to be honest with you guys, on this trade. So this is the most I've seen so far. So, let me see, like 180 up here. Let's see this thing go to 165 or something. You need to get into these lower 490s. I want to see this go into 488 for sure. Like I mentioned, 488, I'll take off a contract, but I haven't seen much. For me to be like a guarantee of, this trade. Yeah, this thing gets, if we get a big candle just going down, yeah, this would be great for us. Really, really good. There we go. We get some selling pressure coming in. See this thing. There we go. 200, 235, 220. We're here. We're 265. Let's break below. Nice. Again, I want to take off 1 once we get to at least 488 level. Boom.
Order filled.
Take off 1 there. I'm going to be do my stop loss to below that. That's cool. Fine with me. Oh, that's perfect. I'll do both because I don't know which one is which. Okay, now let's see if you can keep it going.
Order canceled.
We got 2 cons left. Okay, can I take off 1? Take off 1. So we have 2 cons left on that one. 5. Let's see. This thing keep on going down. Get us back below. We want to get back below this line here. It's what we need the most. This is what we need. We need to get below this line. Below this line and hold and have this next candle open to test and then reject. That's what we want to see. So we need to get back to 488 and a half. See if we can go lower than that. Next candle will open up, which, how much time we have left? We still got technically 3 minutes. Go lower, and then next candle opens up will be good. It's a cool trade so far, perfect. So we got 2 cons. We took off some profit. So we're definitely back. We're almost close to break even on our account, which is nice. If I can just get this thing back, if I can get this thing in some profit, which would be lovely for us, but we're getting bought up right here, which I don't like to see. I was hoping we were going to see the little bounce once we got to closer to this 21 and to our trend, but we're kind of just bouncing up here. Still at. I think I'm gonna actually react here. Not yet. We need more downside on that one. I don't want to look at the 1 minute yet because that looks just so ugly. Okay, we can get back below again. If we get back to those 488s, to 487s, next candle opens up. See a small bounce on rejection off of this line that we drew, support line that we drew, and have it come down. We should be good. But we're at a point where it's just getting bought up a little bit here. So let's see if sellers come in and bring this thing back down, or do we just get kicked out of the trade? So let's just patiently wait. Looks like we might. Yep. Get stopped out. We're about to get stopped out on here. On this trade, on this side, we're gonna get stopped out. I still have it on my other platform, which I'm just trying to get us back to 50K on that account. So, yes, it would be smart for me to just let this thing ride. I guess that might be the better thing to do is just let it ride. We took some profit off the table, a small amount, but we still got 2 contracts to kind of bring us. That's huge. See, we didn't want to see this. We wanted it to open up down here, test that support level, kind of come back up, and then break below, and then have it come down. That was my ideal trade. That's what I had saw overall when I got into this trade. I was like, okay, we can have it come down, test the support level. It's going to probably bounce a little bit, then come down, break below, hold, test, reject, test, and then fall. Well, Burger King can't always have it my way. So we shall just hold. I'm thinking we might go for another liquidity grab here, and then we might see a flush, or we literally just might lose out on this trade overall with 2 cons. So I'm gonna go back up to where we had it before. We moved it, and then just wait. Let the book map do its thing. I do appreciate everybody tuning in tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you for the subs. Thank you for the follows, the likes. Thank you so much. Keep it going. Gonna pop on us. That thing looks juicy. That's it. Alright. Alright, let's see. I'm trying to celebrate with a good trade. Come on. Celebrate with a good trade here. It looked really promising. I'm not going to lie to you guys. When we saw this previous candle go down below, I was like, oh, we have a chance here. It looks really nice. And then all of a sudden it just got bought up like nobody's business, but it happens. I feel like we're going for another liquidity grab here. On and off now on that up there. Down 70, 80 bucks on that account and down 105 on this one. Guess two cons would have been better to take off at that time. And then just let the one kind of see. But we really didn't get a move like what we wanted to see. It's all good. Gonna go above again. We're really gonna see this thing go back to 499. Yeah, we're definitely gonna see this thing go to 499 right now. $300 again. There he goes. I want to adjust this so bad up a little bit higher, at least like 50 cents. But I feel like I should just be okay with losing it at 501 flats. Because I would be doing too much, in my opinion. Okay, there it goes. Gonna get that liquidity grab right at that 500 mark, and then it's gonna probably rip or it's gonna dump. Kick us out on the other trade though. Now we need this thing to dump here. Like we need this thing to dump. Like you got a strong push up. You had the buyers come and step in. Now let's see these sellers stop these dudes and bring it down. I really do want to adjust my stop loss right now. Like really, really bad. Like I really do, but I just don't want to lose anymore. Don't want to lose any more on this. I figured, we just let it be. These orders look crazy right now. Let's see if we can get back to that 495 right now. 495 right now. I'm not adding to this trade at all. I feel like I should just be thankful if it goes back down to 495 and then we see an actual flush, but or at least like a good engulfing candle would be nice. But me averaging into this trade would be such a dumb idea, just for the fact that it hasn't went down strong enough. Each little push down that it does, it's got bought up just a tad. So I don't feel confident on me averaging to add another contract into this trade because it can stop us out, and then I just would have lost even more money. So I'd rather just be thankful to go back to break even and see profit than it just do me dirty with adding more contracts. Again, like I mentioned, I'm like, if I take a loss on this trade, I know that tomorrow I can have some confidence and be able to know that I can make that money back. Instead of being down like 700, 800 bucks and to be like, man, I know I got to work my ass off to get, all that money back. So. There it goes again. It's up there again. It's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. I gathered buyers down at those levels. So it's gonna break out above. We're gonna get stopped out here, but just know that it did what it did. This is liquidity grab that's about to happen right now. It's about to shoot where we're at, grab those, and then it's gonna dump. I already see it. I already see it happening on my book. I already see it. It's gonna happen. Yep, here it comes. It keeps going right back to 499.75. Boom. Shoot up more. Oh, okay. See? You're gonna fall down or you're gonna keep going up. So you either just gonna dump here or you're gonna break out. I would love to add on to this trade so badly. So bad. I had to it so bad, chat. So bad right now. Cause I can bring this thing up to like almost right here. And then if it comes down, it'd be great for us. But again, it would be stupid if we don't get the strength that we need for it to come down. I'm definitely a risk taker for sure. I want to add it so bad, but it just hasn't been strong enough selling pressure for us to be able to be okay with this. And I feel like it's just getting buyers to just rip up here, like here, and then yep, it's gonna do it to us. All right, let's get ready. Get ready to get kicked out this trade. That's ugly. They just want to be like, let me just add one.
Order filled.
I'm doing it. What I mean, but let's do it. Come on. Let's get a break. This puppy go down here. Come on. Let's get this dump here. Don't like it. And let's get stopped out. Order filled. Come on. Or stop filled. Go ahead. Give me my stop fill. If not, then take us back to break even. Here it comes. I'm telling you this now, it's gonna get us. It's gonna get kicked us out the straight. Come on, come on, sellers. Get us back to these 480s. 480s and we're golden. Because it's going to break that trend and we're going to see it dumped up. Yep, there we go. Come on down. So the price is right. Let's go. If we get a dump, this will be great for us. Come on. Let's go. We're getting closer and closer to this trend line here, so hold on. I like how we're in profit on this account, but on the other one. I think the move hasn't really properly happened. Or I think my, oh, you know why? Because I didn't average it on the other one. That's why. Should have averaged for sure. All right, let's see this thing dump. It was this dump, please. Okay, we're in profit there. We're definitely in profit here, $50. Let's see this thing drop. Those are coming. Coming hot. And we want to see 488s and below. Oh, there we go. Let it dump. Let it dump. Has to be strong though. It can't be a weak fall. If it's a weak fall, we have to get out. We just gonna have to take it as what we can and just get out, because it's not gonna give us what we need. So I need this thing to break below that blue line that we have drawn out. If it breaks below that and holds, I'm moving my stop loss, and we're just gonna let this thing do what it needs to do. But we can't let it get us out. So we need to see 488s and below. We're closer back to break even, you guys, so that's good. We want profit though. That's what we do need. We want profit, so going into tomorrow, that we can have some cushion on our moves to be able to take away have a cushion for us. So that's what we're hoping to see right now. I'm hoping to see us get below. Apparently it broke this trend line. I don't like this at all. I don't like how it moved there. So I'm hoping to see it just keep on flushing here. I really don't want this to pop up on us. I want to see this thing dump. Book map is giving us some hope though with these big red circles, so we can get below here. See if we can get this big flush. I will try my best to hold if we can get to these lows of 470s. We see 470s. Oh, this would be great. Great way to start. I probably wouldn't even have to trade tomorrow. We can see 470s with these three cons. We see 470s. I will actually. First, we gotta break 480s. Once we break 480s, if we see 470s, I will close out there, be happy with what I have, and don't have to trade tomorrow. But I need to see this thing dump. I don't want to see this thing bounce. I need to see this thing come down. Again, 488s is where I'm looking at. Just wish it would have held that line instead of moving it like it did. Don't like that at all, but whatever. Let's see what this thing does. If we just see the book map just fall down, yeah, then that'd be great for us. Come on. Let's ride. Was it Broncos country or something like that? Let's ride. Here we go. Come on. Break past the 21. Break below the blue line. Hold and dump more. We are in profit. We have finally sustained some profits on our trade. This is great. I want to be able to adjust my stop loss so that we actually can let this thing do its thing. Let this thing do its thing. Hmm. It fooled us. It fooled us, chat. It fooled us. It was like, you thought you was about to make some money? Nah, player. Tonight, it will be a cage match with The Undertaker. Jeez. Damn, look at that. Bye. Sheesh. Sheesh. So close. Look at that thing just pop up. Dang. All right. We thought we had it. We really thought we had it. We thought we had the trade, chat. I come back from outside. Oh, I just throw out the trash. That's what I should have did. All right. Flyers came in hot. Look at this. Flyers came in hot over here. You can see all them volume popping up. That sucks. And we were down here, close to actually making money. And then just got bought up. Boom, 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 boom. All right. GG's, as we say. GG's. We're up 200 and something on the trade, and then now we're down 145. Apex loves this. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this trash out while this trade does this thing. Okay, come back to us being in profit again. Nice. But we gotta hold this. Gotta hold this. Come on, hold. It's cold outside. Jeez. It's getting bought here. Is there one in the buy at these levels? Of course. Where were we at? Were we at 490 at flat? Close, damn near. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, up 45. We're up 95. So let's see. Don't really like this, to be honest with you. You calling? Let's go. Come on, dump, baby. Oh, my lord, of course. When I get hyped. Come on, baby. We need you to dump here. We need that dump truck to dump. We're up 190. This is great, to be honest. I'm happy with this. I'm happy. I'm gonna move my stop right here. But I need this thing to dump. Again, we went below this line and hold for the next candle to open up to bounce off of this, project off of this and dump. That's what we want to see. How much are we up on this account? It's up 150, 20. Yeah, we need this thing to drop. I low-key feel dumb that I moved my stop loss, but I want to see this thing flush. In this weird range. We just, again, I think once this actually happens for us, we'll be in a good position for sure. Because I honestly want to be able to bring my stop loss to here while the trade's like down here somewhere. So that's what I'm hoping to see right now. Damn, look at all that. They got bought. I want to be enough profit that I don't have to trade tomorrow, you guys. This is what I'm trying to shoot for. We're trying to be enough. We're trying to be up enough so that we do not have to trade tomorrow, chat. This is the goal right now. So we can get below this blue line, hold, and actually see more of a pull down. Be great for us. I can be up around $500-600 and not have to trade tomorrow. Even though I'll be really tempted. Trust me, I'll be really tempted to want to trade tomorrow and get greedy and try to make more money. But right now we're at a point where we just are trying to make enough that we don't have to trade tomorrow. So if we can get what we're asking for, this will be great for us. If not, then it is what it is. But I want to see 488s and below. See, again, it's not where we wanted to open up at. Go down. He's getting juice. Moving just yet. It's consolidating here. We're definitely at a battle of where it wants to go. All right, here we go. Come on. This imbalance is interesting, though. I must say, it's very interesting. Do we finally see this thing dump, or do we see this thing consolidate some more? 470s look interesting too. Do we have anything down here? Not really. All right. We are trying to be in profit so that we don't trade tomorrow. That is the goal. We want to be a good enough profit that we do not have to trade tomorrow. Do not want to trade tomorrow. We can make, if we can walk out with our total P&L around 400 and above, maybe 600, we'll be good. Now let's see this flush happen. We keep testing this area, so I'm hoping we see actual flush. There's a lot of, oh, okay. This is gonna make or break our trade here. It has to be strong. I'm telling you this now, chat. It has to be a strong flush. I'm ready to put my stop loss here. I'm ready. There we go, chat. Let's go. I'm gonna suffocate this trade. You dump more? Come on, baby. Give me my 900s here. 900s. This is a fucking amazing trade. Amazing trade, chat. We did it. We freaking did it. We freaking did it. We freaking did it. Let's go. We're 79s. Can I get 1,000 on the P&L? 1,000 on the P&L. I'm closing. Come on,
Stop filled.
Let's go. Let's go. I don't have to trade tomorrow. Let's go. Oh, let me close this out. I think I'm gonna mistake myself.
Order filled.
Let's go. 700 bucks. Let's go. Give me that. Patience, baby, patience. Let's go. Love it. Let's go. Sheesh. I was waiting. We almost got stopped up so many times, Chad. So many times we almost got stopped out. And it happened. And it's still going. Look at this. It's still dumping. Let's go. Jeez, what a trade. I was hoping to get that 1K though, I'm not gonna lie to you. I was like, 1K would have been nice. It would have been pretty. It's dumping now. Jeez. And I'm not tripping at all on that. All right. What a trade. Let's go, chat. Dubs, let's go. Literally called it too. Let's go. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Heck yes. Love it. Look at that. We took the trade and it just dumped. Love it. Yes, we could have made a lot more. Of course, if we had put more contracts. But those 3 contracts there just kept us alive. Jeez. Break below this. I'm taking you. Profit here. Whatever. That's crazy. Do we dump more? Oh, dump more. I want to trade. I'm happy. You don't have to trade tomorrow, chat. I just worry about my combines now. I gotta reset my 150k account though. But we do need to worry about it. Once we get our code this week, I can we're in profit now. Not more. I think dump some 300 on this. This thing breaks below more. I think dumps more. This would be huge. Yeah. Down to like perfect. I'll take that any day. Give me that, baby. I'll take that any day. Still gonna dump. Sheesh. I'm not trading no more on this account. We're good. We're good. Take a screenshot of that. Let me go ahead and love to see it. Great job. For those that took the shorts up there, great freaking job. Perfect. Thank you. Don't have to trade tomorrow. Let's go. I'm excited, chat. Let's go. In the Discord. Don't have to trade tomorrow. Let's go. I'm so proud. Let's go. Good job. Let's go, chat. Whew. I needed that. So again, for those that are tuning in today, tonight, wherever you guys are at, appreciate that. I want to probably end the stream off with a dub like this. Link is in the bio. You guys want to use my affiliate links to get a Top Sip account. They have a 50% off on their accounts for the eval accounts, so make sure you guys take advantage of that. For Apex, it's 71% off that they have right now, so if you guys want to get accounts with Apex, go ahead and use that link that's in the description as well. Trade Day as well, another platform that I trade with as well that I particularly like. I do think that they're a game changer in overall in the platform niche or sector. And then for those that want to join our Discord, make sure you guys tap the link as well to join our Discord. Based off of just how much of a good day we had, it's freaking dope. I definitely needed that. We were definitely patient. We almost got stopped off several times, but you know, gotta be thankful for what we were able to get. Saw a nice little dump and made profit. And can't be mad at that. I do appreciate everybody that tuned in. Thank you for those that hit the like button and the sub button on YouTube. You guys are awesome. Keep it growing. For those that whoever followed, I think you probably followed on Twitch, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, you followed on Twitch. Turtle, thank you so much. Appreciate that. We'll definitely get another stream going again this week. Probably try to do it tomorrow. based off of trading Asia. I'll probably hold on to a trade going into London, but we'll do a breakdown because I'm gonna be trading my combines tomorrow, but not my funded account. We won't be touching that at all. We're up, so we can't be mad. We got to be thankful for that. Other than that, yeah, I appreciate everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace out, stay black, make good choices, and I hope you guys have